Hey, good morning everyone. Hey, what's up guys? How are you today everyone? Good day, good afternoon, and good evening for some of you. How are you today guys? Let's just go ahead and share this with our community members pretty much everywhere. We are live trading and having two significant giveaways today. How's it going guys? How do you enjoy your day? Great weekend, buddy. We did enjoy doing a lot of activities. So it has been a pleasurable time. Relaxing and enjoying as usually. Which is the ideal way for me. Enjoying time with my family, kids. And preparing. So. We are live everyone, preparing for Nasdaq. Look at the 8-hour candlesticks on Nasdaq. They actually want to go higher. They actually want to push this one higher. Along with the way the market has been running around. Good morning guys, good morning everyone. They want to take this higher. We're going to get into the 5-minute structure and slowly start the analysis. We're trading right now right above the yearly opening. It's an interesting moment here. I like to speculate and be on top on futures, starting to trade. Getting ready, getting started everyone.
Order filled.
Testing out a short here. Especially that we could easily get back into the lows. And then there is the yearly opening, 200 EMA, and a daily VWAP. So let me see how do we behave at this level. On the price section. Good morning guys, good morning everyone. Also let me go ahead and create the message for the giveaway.
Order filled.
Welcome guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
281 is an interesting target for me. Especially that would actually hit my entire profit needed. We're copy trading our top 1 futures accounts. Good morning, buddy. Pretty good. Getting ready to start off the week with some very interesting trading, going for the liquidity below the structure. There is a pressure coming from the highs right now. So I'd like to see what we can perform at this range. Obviously, if this is gonna go ugly, I'm gonna be out. 2 massive giveaways for today. Huge ones.
Order filled.
283 on my target. How you doing, guys? How are you today? Feel like it's Monday, but it's not. And I have the tendency to behave like that. Good morning, buddy. Performing our microscoping activity at this point. Looks like the 300 so far has been holding us under pressure. But I'd like to see us getting below 91. So then continuation into the 83, 84 is very promising. Huge giveaways today, guys. Make sure to like the video. Let's get the numbers running. Let's get the numbers up, guys. Thank you for watching, by the way. What do we have here? We have a slowly decreasing price action with the bears right now controlling the price action for the moment. There is also an interesting fair value gap at the time I have my exit. There you go, we have been falling below the level of 91 as I've said. Let's see if we can keep this one running to my target. Cheers, everyone. Hope you have a beautiful Tuesday. I'm gonna put my stop loss to my entry there. Come on, just a little bit lower.
Order filled.
Beautiful, the target has been touched and the profit has been achieved. $1,532 on the copy traded account for the top 1 futures, everyone. There you go, this is the first trade of the week. Where are the fireworks? Come on, guys, let's go. That has been beautiful. Let's go again. Target has been achieved here. Slowly continuing for the next accounts. This is where we are at the moment. Previous 305 lows have been converted into resistance right now. So, an interesting scenario here with a yearly opening sitting on 269. It's going to be also squeezing below the previous wick there. how to join the free giveaway, you have to be here on the live stream, and I'm going to give you instructions. It's all going to happen here on the live stream. You have to be here to participate in the giveaway. We're doing 2 giveaways today.
Order filled.
Opening up a trade on my next account, looking for the markets below 75. Right, we could actually extend that into 269 yearly opening. So below 75.
Order filled.
How's it going, everyone? How are you today? Beautiful. Tuesday out here. With the market slowly getting ready for an interesting momentum. This is going to be an interesting target for me. About to hit the target, everyone.
Order filled.
And we hit the target, $486 secured profit here as well. All the 3 accounts on Top 1 Futures got their profits. I would love to earn a little more here, so I'm going to keep trading here. But this has been about 15 minutes of live stream. And we got back-to-back good trading. Especially on the $1,500 account, we have 156. So let me look into the performance stats. Let me share with you. Look at that, guys. Everything's green here. Everything's green here. We don't even have trades, for example, under 15 seconds. No trades under 15 seconds. And look at that one, guys. 4 days back-to-back, great profits. This is where we are. My highest day is actually today, 1,532. Times 5 to discover how much do I need for the payout. I need to get to $7,660 for the payout. $7,660. And I have 156.19. Right, so actually I need around, if I cut it out what I have, 6,019, I need basically to earn $1,641 to go for the payout. 1,641 bucks. And we can go for the payout on 2 accounts. I think so. Yep. Yeah, of course, it's worth it for the majority of people, especially with their trading conditions and environment that they have. I can talk to you about the top one, basically. So the payout target is at 6% right now. You have to achieve your payout target and get paid. The prices are with the Scramble. It's a lot cheaper. It comes out with a Scramble code at $360. And at a price of $360, you can get a payout of $3,150. Right, so you pay for an account $360, and you can get a $3,150 payout. The amount of money you're requesting will be $3,500, but you get a 90% 10 split from that $3,500, which makes it $3,150. I mean, at a price of $300, $60 to have a payout level of what is it? 3,150 is almost 10 times the amount you're paying, which is very comfortable. Look at the pump we have received, guys, and that's why exiting at the right level is something that I've been talking to you yearly opening since I started the stream. Told you, in the way the market is structured here, yearly opening is very dangerous for the upside move, and that's what we've got. There is no more daily max loss limit. The max drawdown is 4,500. Consistency is 20%. Yes, 4,500 on the drawdown at the moment. And it's no daily max loss. Good morning, Oliver. And a very good part basically is that after 3 payouts for the account that you're trading is going to be moved to live, which is without any payout limits. That's an amazing part of it. No payout limit on the live, no consistency, so that's an environment, and it's quite easy to get there. I mean, I wouldn't say easy, but it's comfortable with 3 payouts. It's not the hardest thing like majority of the other firms requesting you a lot more. Hey, welcome Alex Lindberg. Cheers us from Denmark. Thank you guys. I'm right here in Budapest, Hungary, streaming on a happy Tuesday, enjoying our time in the markets, and so far so great, guys. We've been trading this whole thing nicely, and we're looking for trading. So today, basically, as usually, we're trading our top 1 futures, Ticktick trader accounts, and Thrive trading accounts as well. Everything that we're trading are instant funding. We've got 3 accounts on Top 1 futures, 3 accounts on Ticktick trader, and 5 accounts on Thrive. So we have 11 accounts that we're going to trade today. By the way, Ticktick trader is running a massive promotion as well, 50% discount. So a 150k is $350, right? And you have $6,000 drawdown, for example. You have a bigger drawdown, but you have to make a little more money in order to get your first payout. I mean, the payout comes above the safety net. Safety net is at 5% of the account balance. That's the target for the safety net, at 5% on Ticktick trader. And whatever you make above that is the only money you can cash out up to the limits, plus the money you're cashing out has a split of 80 to 20%. You're getting 80% of what you cash out. This is how is it for Ticktick trader. Good morning from Slovenia. Morning, guys. Morning, everyone. I haven't received a live account yet. I'm not yet at that stage. But we're working hard, we're focusing, and we're improving, guys. So we're gonna get there at some point. At some point we're gonna get there. Let me move on and trade a little Ticktick trader as well. Two massive giveaways are announced for today. $25,000 Top 1 futures instant funded and $100,000 express challenge Ticktick trader giveaway. Right, so one is instant funded, the other one is in a challenge account with some very interesting functions. We got some news popping out in 5 minutes. durable goods. I have to see that in Thrive. Energy trader, I know on Top 1 futures, for example, it was counting for 2 days. So I have to see for Thrive how's it counted, and I'm gonna let you know very soon. So if they're still counting yesterday profits with today's, it means that it's just a single day. It means that's a single day. There you go. But on Top 1 futures, we had 2 different days. It depends, as you can see, guys, by the prop firm. Some will consider 2 days, others will consider just a single day. It's a beautiful reaction we've got on the yearly opening, which is most of the time functioning, especially in such circumstances. When you have a yearly opening or a monthly opening or a weekly, and sometimes even the daily openings are fitting the theory, right below a significant demand level, squeezing below that and just filling up the orders from the yearly is what the markets will most of the time search. And then you see how we got from 264 up to the 305, so we got 40 points. Absolutely lovely. A lot of the news are coming from these companies that are shaking the market. I think we have Nvidia this week, which is going to give a strong direction to the whole space. I think Nvidia it's going to be tomorrow.
Order filled.
I'm going to test out a short here, basically, with the price action we have on the Ticktick trader. Just trying to go for the liquidity below 282. If I get a chance, I'm going to be happy taking that. Good morning, Badger. Good morning, guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We have collected some nice profits today.
Order filled.
Our top 1 futures accounts, the third account has 486 bucks. And the first 2, because they're copy traded, both have the same value, 1,532. Very comfortable. That's actually the target. The target for the day. Good morning, everyone. I hope you had a nice Monday along with a weekend. Relaxed, enjoyed, paid attention to a valuable things that you guys have, and get ready for relaxing, chilling out, but at the same time productive week, especially with Nvidia.
Order filled.
We have a 7 mini short. Let's see if we successfully break below this 281.
Order filled.
I accepted a partial loss. I don't like in the way it looks here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna get into the other side, which is I'm expecting basically to see a market domination. I think my short theory earlier has been denied, so let me see. How prepared are we for a nice push here? into the 308, 309. We have a level top there. But nothing special yet in terms of reaction. I'm going to ask you if you guys think we're going to break out of this, supply structure that has been established today on the micro. The supply structure is located on 350, so the question will be, are we going to break out of this 350s on Nasdaq today and continue the move? And I'm going to create a pool. Beautiful. That's a beautiful looking trade. We're going to set the stop loss on our entry. Sit on break even on this one. What do you guys consider? I've asked you to pull 350s today. I was certainly inclined towards yes. We have seen another delay on the tariffs for the EU for the beginning of June, right? So it got moved from 1st of June into a few more days, I think 7th or 9th. It's very interesting basically how the markets are no longer paying that much of attention to those things, right? So at the time of the announcement, we have seen a few hundred points dip, and then everything has been bought back quickly. Even the crypto space reacted quite similar. The fear is no longer there as it used to be a few months ago. We have numerous examples where these things have not been applied, or simply they've been just announcements. I'm going to put my stop loss a little bit lower. I don't want to be trailed out. Thank you guys for joining, by the way.
Order filled.
Looks like it has been denied with a double top structure here. This is looking interesting, to be honest with you. We have significant rejections on the 5-minute. We might go for a retest of the yearly opening or even levels below that, 200 EMA for example. But on the 1 minute, there is a very interesting trending line here that...
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I like the strength in this candle. I think it has momentum. So let me share with you the 1 minute, guys. Clearly the 1 minute is kept under pressure by the 200 EMA blue line. But I think there's liquidity to be grabbed above the 300s. Up to the limit where we could see a rejection appearing on 309, 310. Yeah, 21,350s. Not 19,350s, that's correct. 21,350s is what I wanted to ask you. Let me know what you guys consider in the pool. We are stuck here again. Are we gonna get rejected here for the third time in a row? Beautiful chance to take the liquidity back into levels above 300s. Let me see what's the outcome of this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Stop loss is gonna be if the current candlestick gets denied in an ugly way. I'll get out of the trade. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Huge giveaways for the time.
Order filled.
I had to accept the partial loss here in the way. And consider adjusting it by grabbing lower.
Order filled.
Had to cut it away there as well.
Order filled.
We're gonna cut it away at this point if it fails holding.
Order filled.
And totally failed holding the level.
Order filled.
This is a price action that on micro used to represent reaction point 275. We have it confirmed. Good morning. Yep. The giveaway is going to be a little bit later. You can step away for a few minutes, not an issue, but then get back just a little bit later.
Order filled.
We got rejected 5 different times by the 200 EMA on the 1 minute. And the last one happened after you had the nice bull flag pattern that usually indicates continuation, right? We had a bull flag pattern, and instead of putting together a continuation, we've managed to do another point of rejection out there. We're revisiting the same levels here. Going for the liquidity, it looks like slightly below. We have the yearly opening. If we look into the 5 minute, this is not looking too promising. Unless we generate a rejection, right?
Order filled.
Which is something I wouldn't surprise to see here, at least temporary. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining. Appreciate it.
Order filled. Order filled.
For the max profit, we need around $1,000 in this trade.
Order filled.
Hello, good morning, everyone. This is a low that I'm searching for on the 200 EMA, 5 minutes. Plus the yearly opening, guys, that we have on 269. We shouldn't forget about it. We actually have 2 nice levels there, 200 EMA and the yearly opening, very, very close to each other. That should give us the ability for an impulse.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
We're out. We're out and we touched the target, 1,458 bucks. Beautiful, guys. So we touched the targets. We're gonna grab a round of fireworks. Top 1 futures. We touched all the 3 accounts at 1,500 today. And there you go. And we also have an instant funding giveaway today from Top 1 futures. That's huge, guys. Have a look into that. This is on 1,458. And then the other accounts as well on 1,532. This is copy traded. It's the leader account. That's beautiful. Yeah, I use it. We're using the daily VWAP, weekly, 12 months as well. Now look at the beautiful reaction here. That has been something to be monetized. Pretty good looking today, to be honest with you. The charts are reacting so far to the technicals. The only thing I'm wondering is about the lows we had here under pressure, right? And we managed to do lower highs there. The ones at the top are totally flat, and then you have the following market structure. In terms of my style, swing trading, I do consider fundamentals and news, but swing trading I do not do on the stocks. I only do swing trading in crypto, which is my bread and butter since 2014. When it comes down to the stocks that we're performing on the futures, taking and paying attention on the news, but most likely trading based on the technicals and price action. So we have a combination and junction of elements between the technicals and price action. When it comes down to my micro tradings, as you can see, I'm sitting in the markets for a few minutes usually, and then I'm out. You got into at 64 and you sold it on 76. Beautiful, good job. Looking for trading the other Ticktick trader account. This 5-minute reaction here clearly shows strength. We have a double reaction from the same level. And I think, by the way the pressure looks like, it's just a question of time until we see the market squeezing above 300s. So I'd like to be part of that thing.
Order filled.
Top 1 futures, by the way, has a 50% discount, but with my code there is a 5% additional, gives you 55. Which is massive. This 5 minutes that we just opened right now is critical. I like to see a form of strength appearing in the current candle that we've got.
Order filled. Order filled.
That whole 5-minute push we had earlier should now be fully denied. That would be a terrible price action for me here. I'm a little bit aggressive on my continuation here with the momentum that has been totally missing, guys. At least all the way back to the resistance trending line we have coming in from the highs. The 5-minute here clearly has a resistance trending line that has been respected. And we have a gap here between the price action and the limit of the resistance line. That's a terrible denial. And we're gonna cut it away. Exactly right there. That has been a terrible denial. With the market so strong, pushing below, nothing has worked out today on Ticktick Trader. Whatever continuation and the momentum I wanted to do, everything has been denied and pushed back. At least our top 1 futures function nicely. Yeah, I could reverse from here, but I have to go with a stop loss. You know, on the 1 minute could be a nice low established here. Even the 5-minute needs to show a decent rejection above the yearly opening, 269. It's just that I'm a little bit overexposed with the entry in the highs of the 5-minute. That's not the ideal form I wanted to trade this. Just have to negotiate with the outcome. Time to see here a reaction, otherwise it's gonna get us stopped out.
Order filled.
You gotta stopped out. No. Ticktick has not been working out today. None of the impulse movements have been generating any outcome. That's a very ugly 5-minute reaction out here that we're having right now. Totally unpredictable for me. This is really ugly in the way it has reacted. With the bulls fully missing the game. %64% of the people consider that we're going to break out of this 21 on the 5-minute, we usually have, after the 5-minute closing on the green that we just had earlier, we usually have a continuation with that, and usually I'm trading just a few points to the upside and then moving my stop loss to break even, so going with that momentum, right? searching for a reasonable source of that movement, and we actually had it. The yearly opening 200 EMA, previous reactions as well, and the continuation most of the time appears, even with that necessarily distance for me to be break even. It's just wild that I didn't even have that distance, guys. Exactly, Tommy. Well, let's just say not perfect, but decent setups might not play out. Not an issue, we're here for the long term. What's happening with the gold? Let's look into the 4-hour candlesticks. It is kept under pressure here, but it's still part of an uptrending channel. With lower highs, we're gonna resume with the breakout generated on that trending line in the highs, but at the same time, we have to pay attention to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been wild about the whole thing. This is still bullish in the way it looks like. Aims for a continuation. Altcoins have been doing much better, so it looks like they are the ones having a way better timing. Pretty satisfied with the cryptos right now. Exactly, 21,350 is not 19,350 is correct. That's also right. That's also right with the London expanded, true. That's why I've been referring to the 350s created by London. If we successfully get out of that and then run. You know, there is a lot of discussion with this spontaneous political announcement and contribution into the finance world. With the US president, with the current administration, the discussions related to the economies are daily. And such discussions that are heavily influencing the markets, guys. We no longer have those periods where things are running slow from scheduled to scheduled economical news. We continuously get hit by all sorts of unexpected things that most of them are just simple announcements that are never ever taking place in reality, but they're pretty much touching the base of the traders and hitting liquidity back and forth. This is definitely creating an environment of trading that is more difficult for the day traders. Look at that 5-minute we're getting right now. That's crazy. 1 minute looks decent, that's not much about it, but this 5-minute here is something we should have seen earlier in terms of rejecting that strong red candle. We didn't get that, I got stopped out there. Let me see what's going on with the DXI. Probably going lower from the way it looks like. We see 91.3 flipped for the moment. 4 hours. Daily. Oh my god. Sitting in the lows here. We might see US dollar breaking below. Look at a weekly, guys. The weekly looks terrible for the US dollar. That last week movement represents a bunch of strength. And it's all political. So let me just get back into my Nasdaq condition, have a look into that. Exactly, Matt. 21 to 350s. Yes, which is about 80 points from here. Wouldn't be a big deal, but the question obviously is not to squeeze above and then get back, yet to continue the movement above 350s today and trade comfortable. Good day, everyone. Hey. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. Let me share with you my... Where's my Discord link? Here's my Discord link. You want to be part of my Discord? In order to be part of the giveaway, you have to be part of the Discord. I'm going to pin the link. And you want to make sure to like the video. Let's go, guys. Pretty decent Tuesday, especially when the trading that's good goes nicely on a firm that you're pretty close to the payout on this account with 156,000. We have back-to-back winnings, 4 day out of 4. Look at this one. This is how you keep control of your consistency. For those of you that have issues, you try to make as close as possible with your highest day. That's going to take your consistency down in the fastest way possible. So make as close as possible to the highest day you have and keep your highest day on control. For those of you that are having questions about consistency, I have a video explaining with a spreadsheet on my YouTube channel, Consistency Hacked, for top 1 futures. You can definitely use that. Hey John, what's happening? How's it going, buddy? Welcome, Fernando. Fernando, you have to do Scramble 1 for that code. So, I mean, depends which prop firm. Let's put it that way. Which prop firm first? TTT or top 1 futures, depending. Which prop firm? Good morning, Marek. Right, so for Ticktick Trader, there is a flash sale. And the flash sale of 15% stands for Scramble 1. And it's only for Project X. So they're doing this flash sale 50% only for Project X. Have you done it for Trade of 8 or Project X? Depends. Hey buddy, how's it going? Yes, only Project X is 50%. Trade of 8 is only 30%. They did not discount a trade of it that much. No, unfortunately, they did not discount a trade of 8. The Project X is the promotion because they connected Project X with Quantower, and they allow you to connect it. So because of this new milestone and new integration of the platform, they're doing the 50% only for that. Yeah, it's a unique name. And it's interesting, right? We're preparing for the breakout, guys. Have a look into that. If the breakout is happening, then we could actually retest those 350s. We could nicely get back into those. I mean, usually such ways, such reactions are pretty bullish. When you just grab the low, squeeze below with a few points, and then you strongly reverse it, this is not that kind of cascade type of market movement that's bearish, fully bearish. No, this is a type of market movement that I usually consider bullish, and it's just a question of time. Thank you guys for joining. We've got 25 minutes to go for the US opening. Make sure to like the video, and do not forget, streaming from Monday to Friday. And doing giveaways daily. It wants to go. It wants to push, guys. There you go, Matt. There you go. That was the level it actually reversed, and if you're trading micros, little points are not going to affect you if it goes a little bit lower, right? Trading micros is different. Trading minis, you're not really affording to leave that much of a room, and you have to be more strict. But at the same time, when it comes to the type of strategies that I have, only with a squeezing and grabbing momentum, I need those minis there. That's the place they're helping me. A bunch of people start trading today, as it's a new start of the week. We got FOMC meeting this week. We have other news as well, and a lot of stuff from the presidential. Falling asleep here, guys. I'm gonna go get some swimming as soon as I finish the stream and share the giveaways with you guys. I'm gonna get some swimming going today. Welcome, Bruno Bitcoin. It's an interesting day. I would call it out even, pretty even, equal. Consistent towards the winnings for top 1 futures, consistent with the losses on Ticktick Trader. Good job, buddy. Looks like London works much better for some guys. I think it's interesting. Have not been investigating or so because I am streaming on the New York opening and I'm trading only on the stream. There is no upstream trading. Yeah, that was gold. Gold has been giving some nice setups and opportunities. Let's have a look into the current 5-minute. Are we confirming the breakout or simply reversing in an ugly way from here? This is the question. And the current 5-minute candlestick is likely to give us an answer. That's right. Nvidia is going to have a very interesting week. We have a nice pre-market opening. Very likely we're going to break above last week's high. We're sitting on 134, close to 135 right now. Let me just get into a higher time frame here. HTF. Nvidia can be sent all the way back to 150s if we have some great news tomorrow. Good morning, buddy. Keep in touch, guys. We've got the giveaway appearing. Yep. Are you guys bullish for the whole thing? It looks like it wants to get out of this psychological level with a 300 as well. Morning, guys. We're relaxing, we're chilling out. We have some good numbers, 1,500 on all the 3 accounts in Top 1 Futures. That's pretty comfortable. And I am getting ready for the fireworks because of the giveaways. Make sure everyone to join my Discord. We're trying to build a community here of traders that are helping each other for a much better performance and a very productive journey. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening. 68% of the members consider that we are going to break out of the 21,350s today. I think that would be lovely, especially for the whole market to be pushed to the upside. The momentum is still there. Cryptos are having a nice runner. BTC is once again sitting above 110. Let me share with you for a minute what's happening on Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin weekly candlestick. It's just climbing and climbing and climbing and following the pattern of what gold has shared us. Daily as well looks very interesting for the BTC. It's still dominated by the bullish pressure here. And the very interesting part is obviously with the altcoins. Good morning, Matteo. You are getting ready for the breakout of the 300s. I am opening Quantower to trade for Thrive. Thrive trading on Quantower, continuing our journey. We traded today the Top 1 Futures, Ticktick Trader, and now Thrive Trading. Come on, bulls. Keep going about it. Just to make one little step here above 310. And liquidity is gonna explode. 14 minutes to go, guys. And let's get to the Thrive trading, everyone. For Quant Tower. Let's get into Quant Tower trading. For Thrive Instant Funding. Hey, Anton, how's it going, buddy? Tap 1 futures got all over the place, 1,500 achieved nicely, but Ticktick Trader, we hit our losses there, not fine. So on one side we have max profit, on the other side we have losses. Quant Tower has been integrated with Project X for Ticktick Trader, and that's why they have this 50% discount. I'm just trading on Quant Tower. My technical analysis is done basically on TradingView. But Quant Tower is an interesting product. We're gonna trade here our 5 accounts on Thrive. Hope you have a good day today, guys. Enjoy. Make sure to like the video. Get ready for the giveaway. Very soon we get into numbers. 11 minutes to go for the US opening. This is the place with the resistance appearing on 310. Look at that one, guys. Let me switch back to the other scene. 310 is the place with the resistance converted from previous support, right? We've been having previous support here. We converted that into resistance, and now it's a big question around it. It's a huge question around that one. Still having strength. If we ever get the chance to revisit the trending line we broke out, that's going to be an interesting point to long. But we got the openings in 9 minutes. Think I want to wait for some liquidity. On the opening. Six minutes to go, guys. Oh, look at that one, guys. Things are heating up. We got 5 minutes to go. Things are heating up. We're back to the trending line, almost back into the trending line here, retesting that. I'm gonna set some longs. It's gonna be on 86. Limit order. Could be a little bit too early, basically, with the opening coming out soon. Two minutes to go, guys. Yeah. You gotta wait. Do not get in your trade here. That's gonna be very dangerous. This whole thing can easily crack through this part and get... Ooh, look at that. Oh, look at that, guys. Looking pretty ugly. Pretty aggressive. Make sure to like the video, everyone, and join our Discord. Getting an error. Oh, look at this one. That's pretty wild. We just cut away 40 points. One minute to go, guys. This is going to be very interesting. Be careful with your trades. Be careful with your position. Still dropping. Could easily drop below. Yeah, we have a candle starting on 303. On a flat candle. Careful with your sizes right now, with your trades. 30 seconds to go. This can easily swipe liquidity below and just play us out in an ugly way. Ten seconds to go, guys. And here we are. With the opening bell. Slightly falling below, getting to the daily, weekly VWAP there.
Order filled.
And I'm running with a contract here. And I'm
Order
out of
filled.
this. That's sufficient, basically. We don't need too much because of the consistency. 1,600 is fine. Have a look into the reaction. Definitely expecting from here a form of reaction. Let's go one. Nice pullback. Pressure is real. This is huge, guys. Careful on your sizings. Very careful with that. There's going to be a lot of up and downs here. Fireworks. I'm going to set the fireworks very soon with the giveaway. That's going to start in a few minutes, everyone. Just get all your friends ready. Get everyone on board. Make sure to join my Discord in the meantime. Look at that one. We're breaking below. We are breaking below. Get everyone on board. We're starting the giveaway very, very soon. This is an interesting opportunity here from 240s. Should actually give some strength. Look at that 5-minute candle. Blessings as well, buddy. Adrian Lorenzo. Morning, everyone. Indeed, but at this point here, around 240s, 250s, 260s, we've got some conjunction of moving average volume weighted average prices, so this is going to be an interesting moment. Look at this 5-minute terrible price action so far. Not an easy moment to trade, honestly. I'm happy that I'm actually sitting out of the market. Totally sitting out of the market. We have made sufficient. Even at the opening I made 150 bucks, and that's pretty much all. But now let me prepare for something very interesting, guys. Let me prepare for something very, very interesting. This one, everyone. This one, everyone. This is the time, and it has arrived. The time of the giveaway. Now, you need to stop writing numbers before I tell you. You have to wait, listen for the rules, and let me explain you how does it work, but also only one number per person, and the numbers will be accepted after the command you see in the chat, start, right? So once you see start in the chat, that's the only time. Do not write numbers before that command in the chat, guys, because those numbers will not be recognized. Only numbers between start and between end will be recognized in the chat. Only one number per person, please. This is the number set that we've got between 0 and 10. Only a single guess. You have to see the start in the chat to get ready. Now, before we get started, make sure to like the video to participate. Like the video, everyone. Join my Discord and be subscribed to the YouTube channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday every single day with minimum one giveaway from 8 AM EST time. All the links, all the coupon codes are known. Anything, reach out to me on Discord for any support, help, or whatever thing. I am happy to be with you guys. Now, let's get ready. Only one per person between the start and end. Once you see the start command, you can write it. Badger, you have to refresh. YouTube is not updating the likes real time. You have to refresh the video and see there is a different number out there. Refresh the video. I can see 100 people. Only one number per person, everyone. Right, so the first giveaway is for the first account in the title, which means it's for the 25,000 instant funding Tap 1 Futures account, right? Because we've got two giveaways. Not accidentally. Not accidentally. We have started, right? So everyone, let me know your numbers. We have started. I've mentioned start. We're started on this. Just a few more seconds, and I'm gonna end it, right? So everyone, let me know your number. One single number per person, guys. I gave out the command in the chat. Only one number per person. We have started, guys. Come on. And here's the end. Right, so Kuka with 0 basically is the end. All the other guys are late to the party. This is the first giveaway. We've got two giveaways. Stick with us. We've got two giveaways. Stick with us. This is the first giveaway, guys. Right, so let's go, guys, with the wheel. Do we have all the numbers from 0 to 10? Good luck, everyone. Let me shuffle this one a little bit. Let me just shuffle and get ready. Good luck, guys. This is the $25,000 account. Tab 1 Futures instant funding. The next giveaway is going to be $100,000 express. Have a look into that one, which is going to be number 6 or number 2. What do you think about this one? Is it going to be number 6? Or number 2? I think that's going to be number 6. And that's the winner, number 6, guys. Now, help me with a list, everyone, between the start and the end command. Where is the duck race? Let's set up the duck race. Help me with a list, everyone. We are preparing the duck race. Do not get out. We have the second giveaway coming out soon. Oliver T is on the list with number 6. Congrats to winners. Congratulations, guys. We're going to the duck race right now. I'm just collecting all the winners. Runner. You got it on the list, Jake. That's gonna be a hot run on the duck race. Get your duck ready, buddy. We got a bunch of people here. Already 6 guys on the list. Janks as well. 7th. Taking them one by one. Soulless of 0. 8 fellas on the list. Number 6 is the winner. We've got 11 players on the list, guys, so far. Look at that one, fellas. Look at that one. $14 players already. Probably this is the most I've seen. Yeah, that's pretty much all, guys. These are all the 15 guys that got it on the list. Now, I'm verifying, and I can see if they didn't have multiple guesses. I can see that. Multiple guesses in terms of they should not have any other prior guess number. Beautiful, guys. You're gonna compete, you know, for how long? For 120 seconds you're gonna compete. Like a minute and 20 seconds, let's put it that way. That's like 80 seconds. Right, you're gonna compete for 80 seconds, guys. We are set. We're gonna shuffle the characters a few times. This way. This is the way we're gonna play. Good luck, everyone. Let me take my face away from here first. Take those messages away. Here we are. Let's go. Good luck, guys. Come on. Keep in mind we have another giveaway coming out very soon. The second one. We are on fire. Look at the vision power is actually the president. We got a Dr. J. Condom. Come on, Jake. 20 seconds to go. Who's getting the speed? Look at the president. Come on, guys. Who's taking the lead? 5 more seconds. Look at that hot race. And that's gonna be Smiling. That's gonna be Smiling. Smiling 3D is actually the first winner of today's giveaways. $25,000 instant funding accounts. Let's go ahead with a round of fireworks for our Smiling 3D. Beautiful, buddy. Yeah, your duck was fraud. It's somewhere at the end. It's not even on the screen, right? And the fireworks bust. There you go. Beautiful, guys. So $25,000. You have to reach out to me on Discord. And give me a private message. Drop me a private message, buddy. And we're continuing, guys, with the next one. Slowly continuing with the next one. Number 6 is missing from here. Right, so we got all the numbers from 0 to 10. We're gonna shuffle them a few times. Get ready, everyone. Get ready. We are starting this. Come on. Let's go. Start. Start, everyone. Let me know your numbers. Only one per person. This is the $100,000 Express account. Express Challenge account for Ticktick Trader, what we're sharing right now. Only one per person, guys. Do not cheat. Do not play differently. One per person. Few more seconds to go. Right, so numbers between the start command and the end command in the chat, which is about something I'm gonna write, are accepted. There you go. Bruno Bitcoin is the last one with number 2. That's the end command. Bruno Bitcoin with number 2 is the last one. We are getting ready to spin the wheel, fellas. Good luck, everyone. Good luck with your number. What's that gonna be? That's gonna be number 2. I think that's gonna be number 2, guys. Beautiful. That's gonna be number 2 right there for the duck race. That's the winner, number 2. We're gonna race again, but we're gonna get the new players on the list. Congratulations, guys, for the number 2. We already got the list from Badger. We already got the list scrapped from Badger. He's helping us with the list. There you go. Let me quickly double check. I think everything's fine. We are having 8 players guessing number 2 so far. Badger is always helping us, scrapping the list instantly. Extracting the winners. Beautiful, guys. So these are the 8 players confirmed. We are ready to go. You're gonna compete for 1 minute and 20 seconds. And that's the way it is right now. Here we are. We got a president once again. Let's go, guys. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, everyone, for the second giveaway today. Keep going, chat. Who's gonna win, guys? What do you think about this one? Who's gonna win? Free Humanity has won 2 giveaways from us. He's a lucky guy. Look at the luck. Look at that. This duck is having no costume, no color. Okie dokie, you're dominating, buddy. 20 seconds to go, you're dominating this. But look at the president is picking some volume on number 7. Hey, Humanity as well. This is getting close, guys. President is running out of pressure. Mahmoud, probably Mahmoud is the winner. Number 1, and that's the winner, guys. $100,000 Express Challenge account for Ticktick Trader Mahmoud. Reach out to me on Discord, buddy. Let's give out a round of applause. And some happy firework time. Beautiful, guys. So, looking forward to it tomorrow. Looking forward to it tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. 8 a.m. EST time. We have giveaways as well for tomorrow. We're doing basically every single day. Smiling, you have to reach out to me on Discord. I'm going to get back to you there. Both winners got to reach out to me on Discord. Private message, that's fine. And we're taking it forward from there, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Looking forward to it. Wish you a blissful, relaxing day. Have a nice time. We'll talk to you soon.